This is our halo. This is a 14-inch halo. You can see my hair naturally is right about shoulder length. So the 14-inch is probably going to be the best length for me. This is layered, meaning it's got some different lengths in it that helps blend a little bit better. They do have halos that are not layered. So come on in, we can help you choose the best one for you. So how it works is there's this little miracle wire. Super fun. I don't know, can you even see it? There we go. Miracle wire. And that just lays right across the top of your head, and then you wear it just like a headband. Go ahead and put it in. You want to put it in. So the miracle wire is about 2 inches from your hairline. And then push the halo down so it's resting right below your occipital bone, that little bump in the back of your head. So resting right below that. And then you're just gonna take the hair above it. Okay, so this is a pretty good color match. Obviously, my hair is curly and the extension is straight. So the best way to get it to blend is to curl your natural hair with the halo, and taking sections that include both your natural and the halo hair. And that's gonna give you the best blend. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. We're just gonna go ahead and start